Welcome to educational channel of sureshbhattclasses. We are going to learn fast calculation tricks. In all the competitive exams, if we are quick in calculations, then our chances of selections will be more. And if we are not quick in calculations and we are unable to do the calculations orally and fast, then we will not be able to complete the entire question paper, and then our chances of getting selected will be bleak. So I will recommend you to do the calculations as fast as possible, and for that you have to learn quick calculations techniques. So we are going to start with addition and subtraction questions, and the question here is of simplification involving addition and subtraction. If we do it by traditional method, we'll be consuming lot of time, but we start with the traditional method and then we will learn how to do it fast. So our question is, our first number is 8479, then 5146, then 2413. These are the numbers involving additions, and the other numbers 7312, 4978 and 1645. So we add the numbers. 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 3 is 18. We carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 4 12, plus 1 13. We carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. We carry 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 5 is 14, plus 2 is 16. Now we add the negative numbers. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 7 is 9, plus 4 is 13. We carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. We write 9 and carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Now 16,038 minus 13,935. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 minus 9, so we carry 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. And 5 minus 3 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So our answer is 2103, which is option D. Now if we write all these numbers on paper and solve like this, then we are wasting a lot of time. So we should start directly and solve the question. So I am giving you how to do it. Now we start, and without writing all the numbers on paper, we should start solving it. So we solve like this. 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 3 is 18, minus 2 is 16, minus 8 is 8, minus 5 is 3. So we write 3. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 1 is 12, minus 1 is 11, minus 7 is 4, minus 4 is 0. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 minus 3 is 6. Now 6 minus 9, so we carry 1. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now we had carried 1, so this 8 has become 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So our answer is 2103, which is option D. Now when we had reached to ones place or unit place, then the digit was 3, and we can see that every option A, B, C and D has ones place or unit place is 3. Now when we reach to the tens place, then we see that it has come to 0, and we can eliminate A as A is not having tens place as 0, we can eliminate B, as B is not having 0 at tens place. We can also eliminate C, and then we can directly write the answer as D, because at tens place only D has 0. But if we had another option, none of these, then we will have to do the entire calculation and then we can reach to the solution. Otherwise, only after solving for two places, we could have reached to the conclusion that our option is D. This way, without doing all the paperwork, we can reach to the calculation fast and reach to our answer. So we should avoid the paperwork and do the calculation this way in which I have explained you. Now we go to the next question and we solve it without writing all the numbers and solving in a traditional way. So we start orally. 5 minus 2 is 3, plus 4, 7, 7 minus 1 is 6. And we see that in all the options we have 6 at ones place or unit place. So we'll have to go for the next digit. 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 minus 4 is 6. Now we see that option A is eliminated, option B is eliminated, option D is eliminated, and only C has this tens place as 6. We can solve or reach to the answer fast, even not solving the complete question, and we can write our answer as C. But if there had been an option which is having tens place as 6 or the option which is none of these, then we'll have to go for the complete solution and we can solve like this. 9 minus 6 is 3, plus 8 is 11, 11 minus 5 is 6. So when we have solved the hundreds place, again we can see that our answer is option C. If there had been any option which was involving the second digit as 6, then we could have eliminated that and we have reached to the answer. And we have stopped our further calculation and we have filled the answer as C. Now we go to the 4 digit. 6 minus 3 is 3, plus 5 is 8, minus 2 is 6. So our answer is 6666, which is option C. This way, without writing all the numbers and solving it in a traditional way, we should solve digit by digit and we should reach to the answer fast. Now we go to the question involving decimal numbers, and our question is 4.125 plus 3.1257 minus 6.18 plus 2.9. On observing this question, we find that the first number has 3 digits after the decimal, the second number has 4 digits after the decimal, the third number has 2 digits after the decimal, and the fourth number has 1 digit after the decimal. So we should put zeros in the numbers at the end and make each number having 4 digits after the decimal. So we put 1 0 in the first number, 2 zeros in the third number, and 3 zeros in the fourth number. Now each number has 4 digits after the decimal. Now we start digit by digit calculation. 0 plus 7 is 7, minus 0 is 7, plus 0 is 7. Now we see the options. Option A has 7, option B has 7, option C is having 6, and option D is having 7 at the last place. So we can eliminate option C, but still the 3 options are having 7 at the end. So we should go for the next digit. 5 plus 5 is 10, minus 0 is 10, plus 0 is 10. So we write 0 and carry 1. Now we see that in option B and D, the last two digits are 0, 7. So we can eliminate A and C. But still there are two options and we have to be only one option. So we go for the third place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 8. So we have to carry 1, and 15 minus 8 is 7. And 7 plus 0 is 7. Now we had carried 1. So the number becomes 0 at the fourth place. And if we observe the options, only option B has last three digits as 707. So we can eliminate option A, we can eliminate option C, and we can eliminate option D. And our only answer is option B. But if there had been one option, none of these, then we will have to go to solve the complete question. Though we have reached to our answer, now we are going to solve the complete question. 0 plus 1 is 1, minus 1 is 0, plus 9 is 9, 4 plus 3 is 7, minus 6 is 1, plus 2 is 3. Now we see that option B is having 3.9707, which is our answer. This way we can reach to the answer fast after solving digit by digit and avoiding writing all the numbers on paper and solving it. Now we go to the next question, and the question is 1837 plus 2364 minus 5176 plus 1658 minus 3189. On observing these numbers, we see that the numbers having plus sign and numbers having minus sign, the numbers having minus signs have the more value than numbers having plus sign. So our answer will be negative. In this case, if we solve it digit by digit, we may commit some mistake, and so we have to take care of it. But first, we will solve it by our traditional method. So we solve it like this: 1837, 2364, 1658. We are writing all those numbers which are having positive sign, and we are separately adding the numbers having negative sign. Those numbers are 5176 and 3189. 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 8, 19. We carry 1 and write 9. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Plus 5 is 15. We write 5 and carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. We write 8 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So the sum of all positive numbers is 5859. Now we take the sum of negative numbers. 6 plus 9 is 15. We write 5 and carry 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 8 is 16. We write 6 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now the sum of the negative numbers is 8365. Now we subtract 5859 from 8365. 15 minus 9 is 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. 13 minus 8 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So our answer is minus 2506. Now we'll solve it digit by digit and we'll learn how to avoid the mistakes usually done by students. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Plus 8, 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. So we write 4. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 minus 8, that is 17, we carry 1, and 17 minus 8 is 9. We had carried 1, so 8 has become 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. We write 4 and we carry 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 minus 5. Now we cannot carry because this is the last digit. So 5, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Minus 3 is minus 3. Now if we write minus 3, then our answer becomes minus 3494. And this is the mistake usually a student commit while solving digit by digit. In such a case, up to the 3 digits, the numbers are positive, but the 4th digit is negative. So what we should do, we should write minus 3000 plus 494 and then we should solve. Now 0 minus 4, that is 10, we carry 1, and 10 minus 4 is 6. Then 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. And after carrying 1, 3 has become 2. So this is 2. That is minus 2506. This is our correct answer. And this way we should solve the question. And we should be careful while the number may be having the answer in negative, and we may commit the mistake while solving digit by digit. I will advise all the students to do lot of practice of solving such type of questions without writing and doing it orally as far as possible to save time, as it is important to save time in all competitive exams. If you will save time, you will be able to attempt more number of questions and will be able to score more number of marks. By lot of practice, you will become fast and quick in calculations. So do lot of practice. Here completes this video. Please share this video to all your friends who are preparing for competitive exams and placement interviews. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.